Assalamualaikum. I am Pandao from STEM 122, and for this video I will be showing two experiments to show the effect of catalysis on chemical reaction rate and the effect of temperature on chemical reaction rate. So for the first experiment, we have the power of bubbles. So it shows the effect of catalysis on chemical reaction rate. For this experiment, the materials we will be using are 2 plastic bottles, warm water, yeast, sugar, balloon, and teaspoon. So let us start. The rate of reaction can be increased by adding suitable catalyst. A catalyst is substance which increases the rate of chemical reaction, but it is not used up or it remains chemically unchanged at the end. In this case, we used yeast as the catalyst. Yeast is very tiny. Just 1 gram holds about 25 billion cells. That amount of fungi can churn out a significant amount of carbon dioxide, provided it has the simple sugars it uses as food. Fortunately, yeast can use its own enzymes to break down more complex sugars into a form that it can consume. In this experiment, as we can observe, the bottle with catalyst or yeast inflated. So, the reason behind this is that as the yeast feeds on the sugars, it produces carbon dioxide with no place to go but up, and this gas slowly fills the balloon. Let's go on to the second experiment. We have matchstick soaked in water. It will show the effect of temperature on chemical reaction rate. So the materials we will be using for this experiment are matchsticks, water at room temperature or tap water, cold water or ice water, and lighted candle. So let us start. Temperature is one of the factors that affect the rate of reaction. The water in room temperature has a higher temperature than the ice water. An increase in temperature typically increases the rate of reaction. So for this experiment, we can observe that the light of the matchstick soaked in ice water or cold water lasted longer than the one soaked in tap water. However, the light of the matchstick soaked in water at room temperature or tap water is brighter than the other. So the reason behind this is that an increase in temperature typically increases the rate of reaction. An increase in temperature will raise the average kinetic energy of the reactant molecules. Therefore, a greater proportion of molecules will have a minimum energy necessary for an effective collision. That will be all for this video. I hope you learned something regarding the experiments that I've shown. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!